What up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're finally installing a new exhaust system on the Honda Civic, guys. So we have two separate pieces that we're installing today. We're installing the Invidia Exhaust system and we're installing the REV6 Downpipe. I am so happy, so happy. I'm so ready to hear the Civic true potential of loudness. You know, I'm ready to hear those pipes open up more, guys. I'm so happy with this purchase. Yes, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button below, and also, guys, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates, guys. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, guys. So if you're new to this channel, sit back, relax, enjoy this install video today with the Invidia Exhaust system and the REV6 Downpipe, guys. All right, so let's get started and let's go. I want to show you guys the REV6 Downpipe with the titanium. Oh my gosh, this thing is so fat, guys. And we're gonna jump over. I'm gonna show you guys the Invidia. This is something I love about the Invidia. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you the Invidia. Look at the exhaust clip on this, guys. Oh, that's butter. Look at that. So crisp and so clean. So yes, I got all the parts, got the gaskets out. I'm gonna lay everything out and we're gonna get started installing this, guys. This should be a very fun video. Just gonna give a little nice little camera action over here. So yep.
12 seconds later.
All right, guys, so we finally are finished taking off the old exhaust, guys. It was a pain, especially back there in the rear, but thank goodness that my dad is helping me out with this project, guys. I'm about to do a side-by-side comparison of the old exhaust versus the new exhaust, guys. So then we're gonna put the new exhaust back on, and then we're gonna turn the car on and we'll see how it sounds. It's a big difference, so I cannot wait. But my main thing I really want to see the difference is the downpipe right here. So we have the old downpipe right here, guys, and you can just tell that all this right here, all this fatness and this beefiness is gone. And I have the flex on here, guys. So this, man, this is gonna sound good once it is finished. Once I complete this install, this thing's gonna sound very good. So yes, so I want to just do a little side-by-side comparison for you guys before I install it. Alright guys, so we're completely done installing the Invidia exhaust. And then we're about to turn this car on and see how it really sounds. So let's go. Smell that fresh exhaust. Fresh exhaust. Let the car warm up. Oh my gosh. What up guys, sorry about the last video, the last little footage. It was cut short because of my camera was dying and I had a little bit of storage left, guys. But the Invidia exhaust sounds so sweet, guys. So I'm about to turn the car on, guys. I'm gonna give you some shots. I'm so mad that I can't get no rolling shots. It's just me, myself, and I today. I don't have nobody to help me film this video, guys, but I'm gonna try and do my very best to give you some nice sounds. This exhaust is loud, so just beware about the audio in this last little part of the video, guys. But yes, I am so happy this is done. One of my best mods to do, hands down, installing the Invidia exhaust. Like, exhaust period is so good. Yes, guys, I'm about to turn the car on and everybody hear this exhaust. Ooh, let's go. Loud. I try to tell you guys, it's loud, but let's get in here and hear these pops and bangs. All right, let's go. I am out of here for today, guys. Yes, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the notification so you won't miss out on any of my update, guys. And we finally hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. I want to tell you guys, thank you so much. Road to 5K, here we come. So that being said, if you're new to the channel, go back, watch some of my old videos. But if you're not, you know what I'm saying, legit is out.